Hey guys, welcome to DailyEzz. I hope you guys had an amazing day, and if not, it's okay. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. I know, before you guys comment anything, I know it's been a while since I've recorded anything, but trust me, you don't want to know what's going on with my life right now, because I don't want... It's okay, I'm fine. So it's currently raining over here in Shalom, and you guys know me, I don't really like to start off my day by looking by this weather, you know. But taking from the positive side, it's raining. Being the typical Izzat, as usual, I'm sorry for not uploading any content for the past few weeks, I guess. I know I keep on saying this, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, alhamdulillah, here I am today, starting today's vlog, and hopefully I'm going to end today's vlog. And the reason why I'm saying hopefully, because actually I tried to vlog for the past few days, but I didn't manage to make a proper vlog. You know those feelings. If you're a content creator, then you know those feelings when you didn't get to finish your video, and it's frustrating. But frustrating, bodoh. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff that I'm currently working on with, because as you guys know, it's going to Raya soon, and there's a lot of new project coming in, business project of course, and it's just that I don't really have that free time that most of the young... I don't know how to explain this. Let's start our day. I'm super ashamed of myself, and I don't know how to explain this, but just take a look at my room. Oh my god, what is this? What is that? It's supposed to hang up right there, but it's down there. I don't know. I've been keeping this Zippo lighter, this one particularly, for about, I don't know, 4 years. And before you guys start to make your own statement, I just want to let you guys know that I do not smoke at all. I just love to play with lighter. And the things that I found it cool about Zippo lighter is that it's windproof. You can just like... Yep. Sesuai buat pergi gunung and all. It's Zippo lighter. No, this is not a paid review. I think it's already 1 year since I own this shirt, but I still love it. I'm that guy yang I tak suka rambut I messy, I just nak rambut I pendek. Let's get a haircut. Guys, change of plan. I didn't go for my haircut. And guys, guess who am I with right now? Introduce yourself. Kenalkan diri anda, please.
My name is Harry Cameron.
That's the coolest fucking story I've ever heard in my entire life. That's insane.
You guys know Harry. He's already been in one of my vlogs, I think. Yeah, yang teman pergi shopping tu.
Terlalu busy ya. Busy ya.
Dia ni bapak cringe lah. So we're currently in drive-thru, McDonald's drive-thru. Just because I'm what? Just because I'm hungry AF, and that's it for today. I don't know what we're going to do after this.
Order ayam ya?
Yep.
Yang spicy tu tengah goreng 20 minit.
Boleh?
Tunggu ke tak tukar?
Tunggu.
Tunggu Tunggu cikgu kat di sana
Tepi je? Okay, boleh. Memang tak ada hal. Untuk ayam McD memang tak ada hal. You say it's a good thing for McD tau. Dia buat advertisement untuk ayam goreng diorang, which is, it's not a new thing. It's been in their menu for, for the past a few hundred years. Tak tahu. But as soon as dia buat advertisement which targeted on that specific menu, which is the ayam goreng, spicy mainly, it's a good thing lah. Marketing done right lah. When your advertisement blew up and the menu went out, sold out semua and whatsoever, you dah tahu benda tu blew up because advertisement tu pun dah lama, but you tak ready pun, all the stocks and all. I don't know, I'm just saying this because I'm frustrated. Guys, kena tunggu. Actually okay juga kena tunggu, because before this memang I datang 5 kali lah habis.
Hari-hari aku makan benda ni.
Hai aku makan benda.
You fit me, tell me love how you put it on. Got the only key, know how to turn it on. The way you never let my para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo.
This is his first time dengar lagu.
Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Firmo las paredes de tu laberinto.
Kau tahu tak maksud dia apa? Kau agak-agak apa maksud dia?
Masuk dia gadis.
Aha. Betul lah tu.
Betul. Hebat juga aku ni. Dia ada lagi ya sebab
Ada. Lagu ni sebenarnya pasal gadis tertinggal train. And dia sedih sebab kenapa dia tertinggal train tu. Dia nak masak untuk mak dia untuk raya. Raya diorang lah. So dia miss train tu. So dia sedih, dia buat lagu ni. Ni lagu ni memang untuk tuju kepada. So apa komentari anda?
sedih gak tu.
Kan? Lagi sedih kalau dapat tahu aku main cakap je sebenarnya.
Yeah.
Kau ingat aku faham ke bro? Mana ayam aku? After waiting for half an hour, baru dapat fries and ayam. But it's okay. Let's go to our next move, which is tak tahu kat mana. So we finally decided to stop at this Tasik. God knows why. We're still in Dana Alam. Look at this Tasik though, lawa gila. But it's empty though. Kita orang je dekat sini. You guys can come here. It's in Dana Alam. Alright, I'm going to stop talking and eat my ayam goreng. Wih, dia nak curi tu. Yeah, I wanna eat in peace lah. I just wanna eat in peace. Nak cakap. Alright, so apparently dia lapar and Harry's trying to feed him.
Okay.
Go.
Lihat ah. Haiwan ni tak terlalu ganas ya. Dia jinak ya, dia jinak. Okay, dia ambil makanan tu.
Wait, naik balik bro.
Dia dah sini balik nanti. Hilang.
Lama ni makan fries.
Fries je pun.
Dia ambil dua-dua. Laju bro. So we're trying to figure out macam mana dia nak buka plastik tu. Dalam tu ada fries.
Yang nampak dia tu, tapi dia tak ambil.
What are you trying to do? What in the world?
Cik agak jam.
Tinggi tu. Itu yang tak nak share langsung. We still don't know why are we even here in Tasik, but enjoy this cinematic shot. Boom! Warados. Okay, sambung balik cinematic shot. So I guess that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching today's DailyEzz. Please make sure you guys screenshot any of your favorite scene in this today's vlog and post it on your Instagram story and tag me at DailyEzz. Alright, please remember that you guys are very important to me, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's vlog. Inshallah, hopefully. Ciao.